Pong Apo! Yeah, tara! 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 Start na ng trek. First stop. Second stop. Layo na, pero kapoy na po. Oh, third stop. km mo lang maabot na yun sa campsite. Hi guys. So nakram man da karon no. Dili na mulihok na to ang tuo nga apil. And galing ko daw dire mga 5 minutes na. Na abot na may karon sa Camp 1, which is kung asa mi magstay for the night and for tomorrow night as well. And the green one here is my tent. It's where I will sleep for the night and for tomorrow. Excited na kayo ko ugma. Hi guys, good morning. It's 2:30 a.m. in the morning and start na ng trek. Tapos assault agad na natadili sa Kinikahan campsite sa Camp 2. Hi guys. Huh? Igno may tarong na ano may dire sa may boulder face na section area. Here it is. Boulder face. Stop muna guys.
Full step lang.
Kaya pa? Naana mi dire karon sa boulder area, and since the start sa boulder point it's been 35 minutes and as of pagyapon, pasaka pagyapon, and grabe isog na kay ang baho. Kusog na kay ang baho sa sulfur, like mudot-dot na gid sa imong ilong. Just when kapoy na kay ka, then naray ero nga paspas kay ka, kat-kat. Grabe katugnaw na kayo dere, pugnaw na kayo, like singot kay ka pero himong lawas. Pugnaw yawan kayo. And while nagpaway ta, kuwanta dere, mulberry kanang picking. So, nara sa akong kilid guys, for free. Oh. This one. Guys, ice. Ingon anak katugnaw dere. The weather is so good. Feel ko clearing me today, and it's almost morning. It's 5:16 a.m. and Bisag dili pa morning, diri sa akong atubangan, naanay sea of clouds and I'm so happy. Yeah. Shit. It's a lucky day. It's a lucky day. It's a great day. It's a great day. The weather is good and I'm excited na muhayag na to witness the sea of clouds right here in front of me. Oh. Kasuya ko guys, please, sige na. Grabe, nindot kayo ang atubangan. Sea of clouds. Tinanan. Is that clouds? Is that sea of clouds? Over the horizon. It's really cold. Still, grabe katog na ako kamot murag gakurog-kurog na mura naka-freezer sa ref. Hawa kong tubangan guys. I feel so small. Just look at this. Look how big these rocks are. Yun. Grabe. Yun. Solid dito. Solid. The view is viewing. Karon, padong na may sa crater and hanya si kuya na 25 more minutes para padong dito. Anya, tug grabe katugnaw na kayo. Duha na ni ka jacket ang sapaw but still mulapos gyapon ang kabugnaw. Even my hands mura na siya kuan manhid na kayo guys. Manhid na gid. Ari nag-start. Ari kasugod og buga. Chuy kayo. So. Finally sa crater. 15 minutes ma'am.
Hindi tayo daan doon.
15 to 20 minutes.
Hindi tayo dito dumaan. Kasi daanan muna natin. Daanan muna natin yung Malupit. Basta. Punta tayo ng Malupit.
Here's the crater. Nanidres to nga.
Ayun po yung Malupit. Mother. Katapos natin sa
Rock climbing malala. We came there and we're here.
Laman lang t-shirt. Stick.
Kinabaw City. Mount Apple Summit. And paano siya? And grabe siya. I'm here. Made it. I survived. Yeah. We're here at the third peak. Vigos Peak. Oh, here's the view. Dito, fog na lang. Grabe, lumuwag na yung fog. Padong namin naog karon and currently na may dire sa The Boulders. That's the view. Grabe. Mag-lunch na gid mi pa dong. We're just waiting for some of our friends. Na napasa tumoy. So na ako dere. And sila bang mo ni magikat-kat guys. We gikan pa mi sa likod ani kana.
Oh my God.
Cute. What's your name? Whew. Buhi pa. We survived the hike, the second day. And time check, nahuman ta. 12:04. And I'm really happy and I'm glad na I survived. I was there. I made it. And to witness lang yun ang katong view personally and to see it with your own eyes. Grabe. Grabe kayo ka. Fulfilled kayo kung kasing-kasing. And happy kayo. See you tomorrow for the day 3 in which na manguli na may mo to. Good night and see ya. Good morning. Grabe katugnaw dere guys. Labaw pas aircon. Pero anyway, grabe. Nindot kay kog tulog karon and nakatulog ko for almost 10 hours. Oh, if you see this, 9 hours and 49 minutes akong togro. And I haven't had this kind of sleep for such a long time. So I'm really happy. This is our third day and our last day. So we're getting ready na para manguli. Padong na minaog and grabe. Slide kayo ang dalan kay nag-uwan gabi and ining mau pa na ako. Akong tuhod, kurog na. Pero kaya. Let's do it. Nahuman na gid mi sa forest trail while panaog. And grabe, kapoy kasi challenging kay slide kayong daan, lapo kayo. And katulo na mong guro ko na slide. Nabiyaan ako sa mga group but it's fine kay I'm good with directions man. And there's signs all over the trail. And wala sa ko gadali. As what all they say, slow is fast. So just follow lang sa mga own nga pacing and sooner or later mabot ragid ka sa mga padulngan. And I'm so glad and so happy kay I'm able to survive the trail and one of my biggest achievement this year and January pa, so there's more achievements pa na I will try to achieve more goals completed and so much more. I could wait how this year will or how 25 will treat me. I'm ready. I'm prepared. Charlo na gud ni. Diba? Nakabalik na mi kung asa mi ga-start and I'm really proud to say that I survived and I made it out alive and I did it guys. I did it! Whew. Best experience ever sa mga hikers. We had a great day. We had a great weather condition. We were able to see the sea of clouds and everything. Mount Apo officially conquered. Yeah! Woo! Ang saya. I'm so happy and so proud of myself. And this is where it ends. I hope you enjoy my Mount Apo hike journey.